Camille.
And this is Shan.
And this is Tashi. Welcome to our channel Try to DIY.
I came from the mud, there's dirt on my hands. Strong like a tree, there's roots where I stand. Oh, I've been running from the law. Hope they won't shoot me down soon. They sing on a sleepless night, try to catch me howling at the moon. 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 When it rains, it pours. Water's up to my chin. Won't stop fighting to the very end. Many men try to reach it. Many men have failed. Well, if you wanna get to heaven, you gotta raise a little hell. And I've been running from the law. Hope they won't shoot me down soon. They say no to sleepless night. Will you find me? Hope you find me. I'll be back home soon. When the sun rises, when the sun we're trying to catch me out of the moon. Try to catch me out of the moon. We're trying to catch me out of the moon. Trying to catch me. Trying to catch me. Trying to catch me out of the moon. Trying to catch me. Trying to catch me out of the moon.
In this channel, you're gonna see a lot of
DIY project, interior design,
electronics sometimes,
furniture buildings, paintings, construction,
Renovation.
renovations, and much more.
I'm sure as you noticed our accent, we are definitely not a native English speaker. We are actually French. Sorry about that.
We wanted this channel to be accessible to a lot of people. That's why we decided to do an English channel, but we also made a French channel.
French people only speak French.
They don't speak English.
So,
I mean,
yeah.
not a lot of them. That's why we have an English channel and a French one. We usually will put the link below each video for both of the channels. We also have an Instagram account where you can follow us. It's Try to DIY channel. À
bientôt!
We're trying to catch me out of the moon.